Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kara and today I'm taking you through a day in my life as an English teacher abroad. To start off, I wake up around 5:45 a.m. I put on a podcast called The First 15 Podcast, maybe sleep a little bit more, do some quick stretches, and then I turn off my air conditioning because I only have it on at nights, and then I start to get ready for my day. The reason I wake up at 5:45 a.m. is because I try to fit in one camping lesson before I go to school. They are currently having a bonus where you get extra money for doing camping lessons for kids during the morning hours, so I was trying to take advantage of that. Today, I did not have very much luck with the internet and I had to take the test various times to pass it. While I'm waiting for my camping lesson to start, I usually have time to start my journaling or quiet time routine. This particular morning, my student was 6 minutes late. I thought it was going to be a no-show, which is when they don't show up for 10 minutes, but they did show up. I did not get my no-show. Here you can see me playing a fun game of Simon Says. After my Cambly lesson ends, I finish getting ready for the day and then I prepare my breakfast and lunch for the day. I've been enjoying making oatmeal in the mornings, which is easy to pack up. It holds its heat if I want to eat it or I need to eat it, depending on my class schedule later in the day. Then for lunch, I heat up some leftovers and put that in my thermos so it stays warm until I'm ready to eat lunch. I usually add a little bit of salt, some vanilla, some cinnamon, and some frozen fruit to my oatmeal. Another great part about it is that it's ready super fast. I pack up my laptop, my phone, and then, most importantly, I put on sunscreen before going out for the day. Once all my roommates are ready to go, we head out and we go to school. We go walking because the school is only about a 5 minutes walking distance away from our apartment. Teachers are supposed to be at the school at 7:20, and once we get there, we punch in. As you can see, we're a little bit late, but it's okay. Students we then take up to their classrooms around 7:30 if we have them for first period. I do not have first period class today, so I'm just going up to where I will sit and work while I have free time. In my free time, I'm just going to be doing some planning out for the week, editing some Google Classroom assignments, checking assignments there. This particular morning I had some book reports to grade, and then eventually I'll get hungry and eat my breakfast that I prepared.
I'm going to my first class now. It is 9:15. I have one class 9:15 to 10. Then we have recess 10 to 10:45. And then 10:45 to 11:30 I have my second class and my last class. Today's my easy day. It's Monday. I only have 2 classes.
My school is still doing blended learning, so we do have a few students who are online. And additionally, if a student is not able to come to school but still able to attend class online, they can also do that. So I do have to project things from the computer onto the screen for the kids in person to see, and share the screen in the Zoom meeting for the kids online to see the same thing. At recess is usually when the hair goes up. It just gets too hot.
Finally finished with my 2 classes for the day. Not as bad as most days. Thursdays and Fridays I have 5 classes, so that's only 2 breaks per day. But today's my chill day. I start off the week with just 2 classes, then 3 classes on Tuesday, 4 classes on Wednesday, and then 5 and 5. But I'm all done for the day, so I'll be back to just some planning and grading and things like that.
The best part about bringing lunch in a thermos is that when I'm hungry, it's ready to eat. I don't have to worry about if other teachers are using the microwave or anything like that. It's so convenient. I highly recommend. It's now the end of the day, so I'm packing everything up because probably my roommates and I have already messaged that we're all ready to go. So we head down and then I punch out again for the day. This time it did not want to work for me, but I got it and we made it home. After school, I usually go directly to the gym. It is also walking distance, about the same distance as the school. Today is leg day, so I'll show you just a few exercises that I did today. Once I finish my routine at the gym, which usually takes anywhere between an hour to an hour and a half, I come home and I stretch. Sometimes I stretch at the gym, but sometimes I just prefer to do it at my own home. After that, I usually cook my dinner. Usually, if I'm having leftovers, I don't have to cook anything, but today I'm just going to cook some fritos, some tostones, some fried plantains, and the rest of my dinner will be leftovers.
So today for dinner, I'm having moro de gandules con coco. I forgot how loud the washing machine was. But it's basically rice with like pigeon peas and broccoli. And I made some fritos, some fried plantains to go with it. So I'm going to eat that now and then I'll take a shower. Right now it's 6:30, so I have 1 hour before my first camping lesson of the night. So I'm going to go ahead and practice my Duolingo. It usually takes about 20 minutes, and then just relax until my lessons. On Duolingo, I'm currently practicing Spanish along with Italian, French, and Portuguese. So the whole routine takes, if I do like 1 lesson per language, it's usually about 10 to 20 minutes. I just finished my 2 Cambly lessons. I had one 7:30 to 8 and then 8 to 8:30, and now I'm finished. I'm finished for the day. So I'm gonna end this vlog here because I'm just going to brush my teeth and sleep and relax and probably maybe watch some YouTube or something. But that's it for today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I had fun making it. Honestly, I just kind of made it for myself, thinking in the future, if I want to look back and remember how my life was, then this would be a fun way to do it. So I had fun making it, and if you enjoyed it, let me know. Give me a like, a subscribe, and let me know if you want more vlog style videos. I don't know what else to vlog. I honestly do that most days. That's just my life, but let me know. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Good night.